need more English. More English.
You need my English lessons?
And let me ask you one question. Where do you live in the USA? Ingiriiska waa candhuuf ala tufay camal iska dhigaano. Gabdhaha markay isdagaalaan candhuuf isku.
عرفك على أفك على قلقلوعي.
ما يعرف كنت سال لو قال عندوف قبر لو تفاح.
I live in Minnesota.
Oh, Minnesota, Minneapolis. This is city of Dream. Oh my gosh.
لكن تحسهم مودما أمريكا حقوم رئيسمير ريتش إلهي وياكو كانوا كنت عيني والله الصلاة الدعاء وكو دري إنا إلهي أنكمركو كانوا.
America, whenever you enter America, it's look like forget Hungary. That's amazing country, man.
Yeah, it's an amazing country with a lot of dreams. Yes, it is.
I was dreaming since I was 6 years old. After all, I was dreaming like that.
Well, I hope you come here and you get it. Opportunity.
The opportunity, the land of opportunities, USA.
Yeah. Yes, exactly. I hope you come here.
My brother, he lives
No
there.
way, I'm serious.
If Jack end up in America, just know this guy is gonna be hilarious, a legend.
Of course, he's already a legend.
He's already a legend.
He's already a legend.
Yes, man. Please.
Plus, I'm his
yeah.
teacher. Thank you.
That you never tasted before, huh?
That's right.
Yes, that's the.
So, my English is pure.
No, speak Somali, please. Don't drop.
My English
don't
is
drop
pure.
the challenge. Okay, and how about the one walk and the warehouse? How was this?
Horrible. Warehouse
It's horrible.
is the worst. You work 12 hours, you break your back.
Listen,
And
one thing I've learned.
You get paid like $7 an hour.
One thing I realized in Minnesota, y'all a hard worker. I swear to God, handouts to y'all. But damn, y'all do not get paid much, bro. Except the truck drivers, obviously.
Yeah, the truck driver.
So Jack,
if you came to America, you would have to. Jack, if you came to America.
والله wiil qaran aan kugu ogaa wiil qabiil inaad tahay u malaynayay maanta in lagu dhaha in adeer meesha iskaga bax it's some kind of disgusting marka filay waxaan u baahnaa waqtigaas oo kale to show you power dadka awooddaada inaad tusaan labalabay u baanayeen anoo ku baanay carabti shit
Allah ma Khalid baa ma Khalid baa amrka siiyay
how can lacagtaada lagu amra brand you are free you have the home of freedom of North USA asoo Europe ku joogo ku amraadeedii ceerka that's unlucky
Listen, you already broke the challenge.
If you came to America, you would be a truck driver because that's
no,
where they make.
Listen, this guy would have been. He don't need that.
What do you want to be?
Comedian,
What do you want to be? Wait, Sahi, I want to hear from him. What do you want to be?
Comedian, I guess.
I just wanted to be a geologist to put out the filter of gold and diamond.